How to fix Brawl Stars account locked. So if you want to fix your Brawl Stars account locked problem, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Google and you need to search for Brawl Stars Support. After searching here, you will have support supercell.com. Just click on it, or you'll also have the contact us section. You can tap on contact us. After tapping on contact us, it will take you to this kind of page. Now you can just simply go with your ID account and you can go with I've lost access to my account, and you can go with recover, or you can also go with troubleshooting, and under troubleshooting it will give you the feedback page or the contact us page. Tap on the feedback. Once you tap on the contact us, now from here you need to tap on login, and first you need to log into your Supercell account. After logging in, you can follow the process to fix your locked account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.